How to wear two hairs at once in Roblox. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now what you want to do is first you just want to go to the avatar editor, and once you're here you just want to go to body and then to hair like that. And here you first want to select one of these hairs. So if you select, for example, this hair first and wait for it to load, it will look like that, right? But then what you want to do is go to the name of the second hair that you want to select, right click on there, open the link in the new tab, and once you've opened that up, you can now see this other hairstyle, and at the top you can see the link. Now these numbers right there are the unique code to this hairstyle. So you want to select that and then just simply copy it just like that, and then go back. You can close this tab out, by the way, and then go to advanced. Now if you click on advanced, you can here add another asset ID, and the ID is, as you can see, all these numbers, and we've just copied that number. So we're going to go to this asset ID and paste in that number we've just copied. Then click on save. And here it says, are you sure you want to overwrite your current look? Just click on save. And now it should load. And as you can see, we have now two of these hairstyles at the same time. So yeah, that's what you want. I hope this quick video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.